Hey, I'm Walker Maddox, founder and CEO of Gray Solutions. We're a systems integrator focusing process, packaging integration, systems integration, including automation and controls, smart manufacturing with digital transformation services, operational technology, and advanced automation. Gray Solutions is a remote first company. We have Solutioneers in 30 states with centralized hubs in 5 cities across the U.S. We primarily service the food and beverage market, working very heavily with those CPG-minded customers. A lot of work inside of the pet food space, so we've got to keep the dogs and cats fed. And then also some work in ancillary markets with life sciences and pharmaceuticals. Our biggest strength is delivering outcome-based solutions. So we don't focus on just receiving a specification and building a solution to meet that specification. We work with our customers to understand their challenges, identify an outcome that can help them solve a business problem, and then delivering solutions to achieve that outcome. Other than our outcome-based service offering, what differentiates us from our competitors is the full suite of services we offer as a family of companies, from engineering, construction, even equipment manufacturing and fabrication to support customers' needs in a very wide variety of services. Our long-standing partnership with Rockwell enables us to access the myriad of applications that they bring to the market to help us serve our customers. Whether it's a hardware application, motion applications, software applications, or anything else within the Rockwell suite. Being a Gold Systems integrator allows us to access those, have access to the resources that Rockwell brings to the table. It also allows us to train our team members to be up to speed on the latest technology that's coming from Rockwell in order to deliver that to our customers.